Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase the ring or someone purchased for ring for you, but you have no idea what exactly size of your finger. How to measure the finger size? It's very easy. I'm purchasing one of the finger measuring tool from the Temu website. Look at this here. I'm purchasing this tool specially specially from the Temu website. Finger measuring tool, scale, ring size measuring tape. I ordered this one and the price of this product just only 3.5 Danish krona. It's very affordable prices for this product and it's really lightweight. I personally ordered this one and I will show you first of all my finger size. So my parents purchasing this ring from the India and I am based here in Denmark. Accordingly, I measure my finger size like this. So look at this, my finger size exactly on 10, and afterwards I just simply remove, and look at this ring size exactly fixed on my this specific finger. I will show you one of interesting point. If I just do here in the 10 size, this is the arrow, and look at this, exactly I send the 10 number of my finger size and this ring size exactly same. That one is really helpful. Accordingly, you should measure any of the finger and accordingly send it to someone, or you just simply measure all the fingers of yours and then save it any of the documents. So this product is very important for you. You should definitely purchase. You won't measure the finger number or finger size, so you should purchase this product. Link is available on video description. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.